Here's Tiedemann Pond in Middleton. We usually walk around right here, and then we keep walking this way. Right now it's all underwater. There's our little place there, observatory place there. I think that was moved out into the water too. I'm sure the boardwalk is underwater over there.
Yes, there's people canoeing.
Everything. And then people are even canoeing.
Over there.
Oh yeah, that's right. They're canoeing, aren't they? Look at that. People are canoeing over here right on Tiedemann Pond. Let's see if we can get a little closer, huh? There they are canoeing right on Tiedemann Pond. Never seen anybody in a boat here before. Look at this. Wow, look at the backyard here. Oh, there's a blue heron? Oh, look. There is a blue heron. Right over there. Oh, now he's kind of fishing in the water. Oh, there, he's got his head up now. Let's get that heron in there. There he is. There's the blue heron. Oh, look at this. I can't believe that. Look at that. Here comes the canoe. Incredible. Wow. Look at this. You can usually walk right here, right through here. Wow. Oh, look at that marker. Wow. There's Ann. Right here in Middleton on the 21st of August, 2018. After 11 inches of rain in one day. The biggest rainfall ever in the Madison, Wisconsin area. This is what Tiedemann looks like where we usually walk around. We walk around this often. Oh, look at the birdhouse over there, is almost in the water. And that goes up about 12 feet. Hi there.
Hi there.
That's a good idea to canoe today.
Yeah.
Could canoe or kayak around the whole place.
Yeah.
That would be really fun. Wow. It's never been like this before.
Yeah.
Ever. Wow, I bet you the boardwalk is completely washed out there.
Yeah.
I'm sure it must be on that too.
Are you gonna go all the way around?
Oh yeah, that's cool. This may never happen again in the next 100 years. Wow. Look at that. It's usually all dry land right there. Good thing that house is up high. They just moved in it the last year. Wow, isn't that amazing?
The basketball court?
Yeah, the basketball court. Huh? Not so high now. You get pretty wet playing basketball. Oh, I wonder what all the animals think.
The blue heron.
Oh, yeah. Is the heron still there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there he is. Let's see. Get a picture. I have to get a close-up there. Where is that heron? There he is with his little head above the water. There he is. He's fishing again. There goes that canoe. Boating around. Nobody usually boats here. Wow. Once in a 100-year event, I'm sure. Tiedemann Pond. It's incredible, isn't it? Oh, who's that over there? Oh, the geese are flying. I probably wonder what's going on here, huh? Oh, little geese. Aren't they something? Wow. It'll be a while before we can walk around this. Oh, look at that. Look.
Oh my god.
I wanted to get it. It's hard to, I don't know if I'm getting it or not.
Oh beauty, I love you. I love you, beauty. I love you.
Let me see. Let me get a phone here if I can. Make it a little wet doing it. Oh, look at that thing. There he is, that cute. Oh, it's okay. That's really neat, huh?
You get him flying in.
That's the heron, huh? I tried to. I tried to. I don't know if he's in the film or not. Fine. That's pretty cool. He came right over here. Little heron. Pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty neat, huh?
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.